Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode on Android. If you are using the navigation button in your phone, we recommended using the home button trick for using the one-handed mode. You'll need to make a couple of setting tweaks here. First, we will show you how to revert to navigation buttons to go around the UI and then make a settings change in one-handed mode. Open the settings menu on my Galaxy, then go to display. Scroll down and select the navigation bar. From the navigation type menu, select buttons. From the same menu, you can change button order as well. Once the One UI changes from gestures to navigation buttons, you can follow this step. First, swipe down and reveal the notification center. Then, select the settings gear at the top. From the settings menu, go to Advanced Features. Select one-handed mode and tap on the button. From now on, you can double tap on the home button to enable one-handed mode. The usual one-handed mode features remain identical as discussed this video. It's quite easy to exit the one-handed mode. You need to double tap on the side arrow and the One UI will move back to the original look. Note that when you take screenshots in one-handed mode, they come with a full screen revealing a gradient background. You should always come out of one-handed mode and then take screenshots. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys on the next video.